How to get rid of signs of aging, sunspots, olives, signs of aging, whatever you call them, most likely you will want to get rid of them. Take a look at these amazing natural remedies that will help you reduce the signs of aging. Do you have signs of aging? The signs of aging can grow, although they are painless and do not cause other symptoms. Many people want to get rid of them for aesthetic reasons. Signs of aging, what you need to know. Sunspot, flat brown or black mark appearing on various parts of the body. We often find them on the face, neck and upper part of our hand. Some people also have it along the arms, back and legs. Natural remedies for the signs of aging. Many people choose expensive and sometimes painful medications or cosmetic treatments to try to get rid of the signs of aging. Take advantage of nature to reduce the signs of aging. Let's see how. Number 1, lemon juice. This is one of the best ways to get rid of blemishes out there. Citric acid as well as the antioxidants of lemons acts as a natural whitening agent that reduces the signs of aging. Here's how. All you have to do is squeeze half a lemon and dip a cotton ball in the juice. Apply it all over your face or just the affected area and let it sit for 20 minutes. Then rinse with cold water. We suggest that you apply this treatment day and night. If you apply it during the day, citric acid can have the opposite effect and cause more scars. Number 2, whey for the signs of aging. Cleanses your face and eliminates the sign of aging. Here's all you need to do. Apply daily to your freshly washed skin before going to bed. Number 3, aloe vera. Wound healing as well as to reduce the signs of aging. It is easy to apply. Cut an aloe vera stem horizontally and extract the liquid. Thoroughly clean your face and neck and apply the gel. Allow to dry without rinsing. Number 4, castor oil. Castor oil is becoming more and more popular in beauty treatments. Believe it or not, it can work well for you if you have signs of aging. Put a few drops of the plant infusion on your hands and spread it gently on the affected areas every night. Stimulates the production of collagen and elastin fibers. Softer, clearer skin, free of wrinkles and scars. Number 5, oxygenated water for the signs of aging. To reduce the signs of aging every night before going to bed, do not rinse. Try these amazing natural remedies and say goodbye to the signs of aging. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.